Hello, my reading friends. Welcome to Renu's Reading Corner, where we read stories together. Today we are reading A Recipe for Bedtime by Peter Bentley and Sarah Massini. Baby, baby, soft and sweet, almost good enough to eat. It's night time, so come with me and hear my bedtime recipe. Take a bundle full of joy. It can be either girl or boy. Snuggle in your arms like so. Unwrap gently top to toe. Check those tootsies. Can you see the little piggy? Wee, wee, wee. Add to water, not too hot. Stir a little, then a lot. Scoop up baby, place on mat. Dab the drips off, pat, pat, pat. Where's that baby? Peek-a-boo! Add raspberries to tummy too. It should be warm and soft as silk. Wrap once more and then add milk. Put in warm place, cover tightly, add some kisses, sprinkle lightly. Leave to settle for the night. Sneak out softly, switch off the light. Check on baby now and then. If required, add milk again. It often helps the job along if you sing a little song. Hush-a-bye fingers, hush-a-bye toes, hush-a-bye lips and hush-a-bye nose. The dream fairy's coming to bring you sweet dreams, down from the moon on silvery beams. Hush-a-bye, close your eyes tight. Hush-a-bye fingers, hush-a-bye toes, hush-a-bye lips and hush-a-bye nose. The dream fairy's coming to bring you sweet dreams, down from the moon on silvery beams. Hush-a-bye, close your eyes tight. Night, my darling, night. The end. For more stories, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.